Friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Cherie's Alchemy Shop TV. We are back for Vlogmas Day 11. And we're gonna take a peek at a small collection of prints. I did not pick up the full collection of this, like many of the fabrics that I've been sharing through Vlogmas. I'm bringing these in specifically for items that I will be creating for my handmade business, though I do have some allocations of yardage that I'll be putting in the Etsy shop. So this is Maria Matos's collection, Nocturnal Creatures. In this first print that we're looking at is called Victorian Garden, and the colorway for this print is black. This fabric, as well as all the fabrics I'm going to share in this collection, are 100% cotton, 44 inches wide, and printed cottons on a woven base, so this doesn't have any stretch to it. The print that I picked up in this Nocturnal Creatures collection is called Carnation, and the colorway is white, and it's just a simply styled carnation print. Next up is the pattern called Silk Moth, and this colorway is white. You can see here a little moth in the center of this rosy floral frame. Really sweet. Our next print is called Moth and Beetles, and the colorway is white. And unlike that Silk Moth collection, which is directional because all the moths are going in one direction, with this print here, the direction is flipped, so it ends up not being a purely directional print. So that's kind of cool. But look at the colors. I have a couple really cool things I want to make with this, specifically this print. It's one of my favorites in the collection. Our fifth print is called Japanese Beetle, and while at first glance it just looks like a all over floral, when you zoom in you'll see these gorgeous Japanese beetles on the blossoms. And so this colorway for this Japanese beetle print is called Black, and this is another one I just think is so beautiful. Love the colors. Next up we have the print Night Garden, and this colorway is black. And this is just featuring those spring blossoms that we love, some daffodils, some little insects. It's really sweet. And our seventh and final print that I picked up from the Nocturnal Creatures collection is called Blossom Moth, and the colorway is red. Again, just a really pretty print, great color combinations, wonderful for all of us who love gardening, and yeah, I think it's just a really, really sweet print. So thank you for joining me for Vlogmas Day 11 and having a peek at the prints that I picked up from the Nocturnal Creatures collection. I look forward to seeing you all back here for Vlogmas Day 12. Thanks for watching. Bye.